here at the Diving Service here with Mz Normie. We're going to be doing a quick comparison video. I've already done the hull except for the starboard side, outside. So we're just going to look at the running gear and sides. In today's states, August 6, 2019. Alright, I'll go and get the rest cleaned up for you. Thank you again for choosing the Diving Service. Have a good day.